Dear 6th class, today I will explain to you the factors and multiples. So first of all, we will see what is the meaning of factors. A factor is one of two or more expressions that are multiplied together. For example, 6 equals to 2 into 3, where 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. We can write 6 as, in this form also, 6 equals to 1 into 6. So here the factors of 6 are 1 and 6. Whenever we will multiply 1 with 6, we will get 6. Here also the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Whenever we will multiply 2 with 3, we will get 6. So in our second point, the factors of a whole number are those whole numbers from which it can be divided with no remainders. For example, 72 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. These all are the factors of 72. Whenever we will divide these numbers by 72, we will get answer with no remainder. For example, if we divide 2 by 72, we will get 36. And similarly, if we divide 3 with 72, we will get 24 with no remainder. So we can check all these numbers and we can divide all these numbers by the number 72. We'll get the answer with no remainder, or you can say zero remainder. Now, the third point is, to factor an expression means to express it as a product of several factors. It means, suppose if we have to factorize 72, we can write 72 in the factorization form 1 into 72. 72 equals to 2 into 36. 72 equals to 3 into 24. 72 equals to 4 into 18. Similarly, 72 equals to 6 into 12 and 72 equals to 8 into 9. And we can write in all these terms, in all these expressions you can see here, we are factorizing 72 in two parts. We can write more than two terms also. For example, 24 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So here all the factors you can see here, we are writing the factorization of 24 in more than two numbers. So this is actually the prime factorization. So now our next point is multiple. A number that may be divided by another number with no remainder. For example, in the above example, 72 is the multiple of each of the numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36. Clearly, when 72 is divided by any of its factors, the remainder is 0. Now, I think your concepts about the factors and multiples are clear. So now we are starting the exercise 1A. Question number 1. Write down all the factors of the following. So I will explain only the difficult parts of the question. So part F is 210. So you have to write all the factors of 210. So for your convenience, we can start with 1. 1 210 times. 2. All these numbers, you can divide these numbers with 210 and the quotient or your answer you can write in the end. For example, 1 here and 210 here. 2. When you will divide 2 with 210, your answer will come 105. So 2 you will write here and 105 you will write here. This is an easy way for writing the factors of a given number. Similarly, 3 divided by 210, your answer is 70. So you will write 3 here and 70 here. When you will divide 5 by the number 210, you will get 42. So you will write 5 here and its answer you will write here. Now 6, when you will divide 210 by 6, you will get 35. So 6 at the start and 35 in the last step you will write. Now 7, 30 times. So 7 you will write here and 30 you will write here. 10, 21 times. When you will divide 210 by 10, you will get the answer 21. So you will write 10 here and 21 here. And 14. When you will divide 14 by the number 210, you will get 15. So 14 here and 15 here. In this way, you can write all the factors of the complicated numbers. Question number 2. Write down the first 6 multiples of the following. For example, A part, you have to write the multiples of 4. In easy words, you can also say we are writing simply the first 6 expressions of the table of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. These are the first 6 multiples of 4. Now 21. 21 into 1 is 21. 21 into 2 is 42. 21 into 3 is 63. 21 into 4 is 84. 21 into 5 is 105. 21 into 1 into 6 is 126. And this way you can solve all the other parts also. Now exercise 1B. Factorize by prime factors. 648. Now, what do you mean by prime factors? It means in the factors you can take only the prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Now 648. We are starting with the smallest prime number, which is 2. So when you will divide 648 by 2, you will get your answer 324. So on your rough side, you can divide 648 by 2 and you can write answer here. Otherwise, you can write directly also. For example, 2 how many times 6? 2 3 times 6. 2 how many times 4? 2 2s are 4. 2 how many times 8? 2 4s are 8. So you can write directly also the answer. Now 2 when you will divide 324 by 2, you will get 162. Now, 2, directly you can also write the answer. 2 how many times less than 3? 2 ones are 2, and 1 you will write here. And then your new number will become 12. Then 2 6 are 12. And 2 how many times 4? You will write here 2 2s are 4. Now in the next step, 2 how many times 16? 2 8s are 16. 2 how many times 2? 2 1s are 2. Now 81. According to divisibility rule of 3, when you will add 8 and 1, it is equals to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. That's why we are dividing this number by 3. And its first number is not the even number. That's why we are not taking the number 2. So 3, how many times less than 8? 3 2s are 6. Because 3 3s are 9, 9 is greater than 8, we can't take 3 here. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 remainder with the next term, it will become 21. So 3 7s are 21. Or you can divide on your rough side and you can divide 81 by 3 on the rough side and your answer is 27 in that case. And you will write here then answer. Now next, again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. And you can note this important point that here we are taking all the prime numbers only. In the prime factorization, you will take only the prime numbers. You can't take even numbers, you can't take the odd numbers. So 648 can be written in this form. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is called prime factorization. Or if you want to write in index form, you can write 648 equals to 2 raised to power 3 because 2 is repeating 3 times here, 3 is repeating 4 times here. So you can write 2 raised to power 3 and into 3 raised to power 4. This is the index form. If it is given in the question to find the prime factorization and write your answer in the index form, then you will write your answer in this form. Otherwise, you can write this form also. This is also correct. So, index form notation I have already explained in my last lecture. So, the first 2 questions you can see in my last lecture. Thank you very much for watching the video.